could make the whole world sing. That look in your eyes, oh the joy it brings. When I hold you, and you hold me, I know we're not what we used to be. Hi lovelies, so today is Paul's birthday. Pizu, my friend who you guys know him, the one who always helps me film, the gentleman, my gentleman friend. Yeah, so today is his birthday and I'm off to the gym because I'm going to see him at the gym. I know that I'm not going to the gym to work out today. I'm just going to see my friend and celebrate my friend. So if you're watching this video, help me wish Pizu a happy birthday. Shout out to you, Pizu. Thank you for all that you do for me. Thank you for being such an amazing friend. I love you, I love you, I love you. Mwah. I've been here for a while, but we've been having so much fun. I didn't even remember to film. Just imagine. Please, I'm looking for peace. Where is Pizu? Where is he? Pizu. Oh, this is the birthday boy. Take it like that. Oh, see how cute he look. Oh, that's the birthday boy. I didn't work out. Yes, I'm creating content today. Yeah. Because of you. I did not work out today. Let me not just pretend. I've been outside since. This is the first time I'm coming inside. Yeah, I'm talking too much. I'm not the birthday boy. I'm the birthday boy's friend. I'm the birthday girl's friend.
I'm not the birthday boy, but I'm the birthday boy.
People are high.
Why do you say
what? Okay, it's got me a new spot. I don't know this place. That's it. Is it this one? Is it pink?
No, orange. Sunset orange.
Sunset.
This thing they conquer God.
No go conquer God.
You can't 2 by 2 you jackpot.
I hear say you don't
Conquer
conquer God.
I don't like.
Godons is not for the weak.
Godons.
It's not for the faint hearted.
May they buy the white one.
Now waiting is send me. I have my send them.
May they buy this one. Ele conk. Shey you want do a festival now. Mama, mama can't eat.
Baby boy.
My boy.
Skin aqua wants to kill me. I'm going to try this for the first time. Go on. This one. How did the price guy become 4.9 again? Are people joking? Are people serious? Yeah. See wahala. Look at the price tag. People want to kill somebody. You want us to be smelling. People want us to be smelling. What's going on? These people want us to smell. Sorry. This Dr. Rachel sunscreen. I used to buy Skin Aqua, but Skin Aqua is now 14,500, 15,000, depends on where you're buying from. That thing used to be 7,500, 8,000 naira. Can you just imagine? Twice the price. This is the first time I'm going to try this Dr. Rachel sunscreen. Well, I believe it will do the job. It's really small compared to be honest. It's actually really small compared to Skin Aqua, but then I can't buy that for now. Like, it's ridiculous. The price is just so annoying. I know I used it before, but my friend Paul uses it, and I know that doesn't need a white cast, so I'm just going to try it. So let's try this Dr. Rachel sunscreen that I bought earlier today. Let's see how it blends. Please don't mind the noise in my background. There's a mosque behind my house, and then the kids there are reciting something. I don't know. So I hope I'm able to filter the noise by the time I'm editing this video. But if not, sorry guys. It's not blending. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, it's blending off. It's really slow. Hold on. That's it. Compact, I guess. Hey lovelies. This is my face after applying the Dr. Rachel sunscreen. It's not bad. It took forever to blend. You guys saw that, but then it blended eventually. I hope I don't get some form of breakout using it. So yeah, I'm off to my friend's place, so I'll see you guys later when I get back, or maybe tomorrow. Hopefully later. Okay. Bye.